Alright guys, so I was just doing my pre-trip. Found one of these lights out. Got a bunch of these little marker lights running up and down the trailer. So all the way up and down. Looks like we got some, the ones on the back are fine, but got one up, one out right up there. So we're gonna get that swapped out, show you guys the process of that real quick. All right, so some of the tools, we got the ladder to get up there. Here's my electrical kit I always carry with me. Got a bunch of electrical plugs, wire strippers, heat gun, all the basic stuff you need. And then I got a little impact so I can get the bolts off on the bracket up top. Get to going. All right, so here's the tools I'm just taking up real quick. Got the wire strippers, wire crimpers, heat gun, and then here's the lights I use. I'll try to throw a link in the description for you guys. I just get them from Amazon here if I can juggle this. It's these amber, some truckers call them chicken lights because they're the small ones. But amber, they come in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pack. And I think I got a 20 piece for like 10 bucks on Amazon. Super nice quality, super bright. But it's gonna replace them with these and get it all swapped out. All right, gonna try to do this one-handed. So just climb my way up. So see, I don't think the light's actually faulty. I think this ground just popped off right there. But I'm just gonna get this taken off and just get the whole thing replaced so it's all brand new, everything. Show you here in a sec. All right, so got our 8mm here. Just gonna get these bolts taken off. Maybe. All right, so just gonna get these bolts taken off. Screw that one a little bit loose. And these are just self-tappers, so they're gonna struggle a little bit. Once you get them, you just gotta carefully juggle this thing out a little bit. Here, I'll come back once they're off. All right, so this is our power that's running all the way from the front of the trailer. I just got it with a butt connector, quick connector right up here. And then the ground, as you guys saw, that came off the plug, this one. I got a new one of these too. So I'm just gonna cut it here, get this light off, get a brand new one in, and I'll show you guys the connections here in a second. All right, so quick little update. Got the brand new light in place, added a brand new little bolt connector there, like the quick connects, and then another one right there. Just got them all heat shrinked. You can see super nice, no water, nothing's gonna get through. And then I'm just gonna put this back over there, route this with the bolt so it's grounded to the trailer. And then yeah, pretty much all I used, quick connects, and then this guy right here, and then obviously the brand new light. So I'm gonna put this all back together and then show you guys how it looks like. All right, so got everything buttoned up, zip tied, everything's all tight. Brand new grommet here, and then a brand new quick connect, brand new light, and then show you how, boom, we got action. So brand new light there. Now all these lights all the way up and down are looking good. That's pretty much it. All right guys, yeah, so that pretty much wraps up that video. Let me know if you guys want to see some other stuff, like how you do pre-trips or stuff like that, when I change out these lights, or some other maintenance stuff. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll see you then.
All right guys, I waited till nighttime to show you guys, and as you can see how the lights look at nighttime. Look real bright, look good. And if you're looking to get these lights for yourself, they're like $20 for 15 lights. I mean, you can go anywhere and get them. Amazon or any hardware store you can probably find them at. You can see one light right here is missing, but we're gonna restore that one soon. And these are the back lights right here. As you can see, look amazing at nighttime. LEDs are really bright.